You beat him today.
Just 2 minutes.
I almost
Oh, I've
forgot.
got 1 minute.
I forgot. And I go, oh, at 6 o'clock, I remembered.
I had to check. I had to put the alarm on because about 6 o'clock I started feeling drowsy and I thought I'm going to go sleep. So anyway,
He's here now, too.
how are you today, Tim?
Busy. I was cooking cookies because I want to mail my box tomorrow to Arizona. So
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
Christmas is coming up fast.
It really is. It's too fast. I mailed off some cards, luckily, and I mailed off some
I only
thank you
got I
cards
only
and
got two Christmas cards, so I'm just doing the ones I
only
can.
two.
Uh-huh.
You still do Christmas cards?
I only do when
Oh,
people send it to me first. I have somebody in town, and she sent me
Well,
a
that
Christmas
is
card. Her
old
mother
school.
hasn't done it yet
Okay.
because it's expensive for the stamps.
It's what?
Stamps gone up. Stamps are very expensive.
Oh yeah, yeah. Well, the whole thing's expensive.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
no, I send cards to people that I haven't seen, all
Uh,
year or like that, and some distant relatives and somewhere in rest homes,
Yeah.
so they get a card and they get to
to
put it on the
make them feel
wall
good.
and
Yeah.
yeah, so it's
I remember when the whole house was plastered with Christmas cards. Everybody would be sending Christmas cards.
We
Be
would
like,
put yeah. I would put them
those
on
are
the
the Christmas
doorway
cards.
for
Uh-huh.
decoration.
Yeah.
well, as a teacher, I bet you did get a lot of them. And thank you very much for that beautiful calendar. I saved the one that many years ago you gave us,
Uh-huh.
and so I'm eager to take it down to FedEx and have them printed on good paper and
Oh, okay. Oh,
spiral
good one.
bind it.
Leave, and also remember, you can save it and use it again next year. I mean, it's a forever calendar. You just fill in the numbers and but in the days, you have to fill in the days as well.
Yeah,
What's a way to remember what the days are?
yeah,
Yeah. So, all right.
yeah.
Okay.
So, but it was beautiful pictures, and thank you very much.
Uh-huh. Uh,
I don't know if Heather's going to make it or not. She's really busy. She brought her family a couple of weeks ago down to the cottage, and so her daughter and husband and two kids, one a little older than the other was kind of a baby, and then her youngest son, and I knew him when he was about 12, oh, 10, 11, 12, something like that. And so he was shorter than Heather. Well, Heather's not very tall,
Mm-mm.
you know. So now he's taller than Heather. He's taller than his dad. And
oh,
he's this really sweet kid. I call him a kid, but I think that he graduated last year from high school and going to Mesa Junior College here.
oh,
Uh,
good.
yeah, so that was fun. I got a picture of them together and in front of the cottage. So uh, I I'll have to see if I can ask her if I can use it because it shows a lot of generations. Anyway, that's all the news.
Flavor. Flavor.
Um, yeah, that's my Jay and I. That's my news.
Oh, okay. Okay. I guess.
Except my printer. My printer is new. It's a replacement of the HP Envy 4500 series. It's
Uh-huh.
a HP Envy 655-555-35E. And it came with a two um, two cartridges, ink cartridges. And so then you put them in, you turn it on, and then on the display, it says go to the email and sign in and make your account and like that. So what they were doing is on those uh, ink cartridges, there's a little bit embedded thing for that they are a subscription.
Oh,
Well, so I didn't understand that. I did know that when I took them out and tried to put just ones I bought at Office Depot, it wouldn't work. And so, yeah, so anyway, I kept working on it and then I put them in again and oh, I thought, well, maybe it has just a little more gas left in it.
uh,
Well, it recognized them, but it sent me a note saying and cut me off completely and said that I have to contact the subscription account to resolve this problem.
oh,
So then I got a printer. You can't get around it. You can't
yeah.
buy, you can't do anything.
Yeah. Because my printer wanted to do the same thing, but I didn't do it. I
Well, can
didn't
you
know.
take it back and you return it?
I think it's been over 60 days. I don't print
Oh,
that much.
all right,
But
okay, yeah.
but it gives
Well, you
you,
might think about that, and and get one that doesn't require a
yeah,
subscription. Yeah, 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 yeah.
I'm
Because I
gonna
find
do
that
that
very,
at the last.
yeah, 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 yeah. That's just another ploy corporations have developed to not sell you anything, but to milk you.
Yes,
So anyway,
yes, exactly.
yeah. So, well, Dee, Kimrau Anok.
Where is
Nagimra.
he?
Philly
I
Gama.
don't see her picture.
She's there.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Why
Yeah.
don't I see it? Okay, now I gotta figure out this.
See what?
Oh, there it is. Okay. Well, I only saw you and Tim's
I'm
name,
in the dark,
but
but
I
yeah.
had to make an adjustment on my view.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay.
Every day's a new day
Okay.
with a computer.
Well, anyway, does anybody have any questions? Any points of interest before we get started?
No, but it was a very cute Santa and yeah,
Okay.
and Mrs. Claus.
Okay. Okay. Well, let's get started and we'll get back to it. So let me see. Okay. So anyway, so let me uh go here. Okay. Okay. All righty. Okay. All right, so here we go. Ghàidhealtachd na seaar Gaelic Fríste na bhéarlach líste. And here we have the Piper of the Week,
Cute.
Santa. I'm Botic Nollaig. I'm Botic Nollaig. Okay. The the old man of Christmas. I'm Botic Nollaig. Agus Aven. Okay. 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 All right. Okay. And of course, this space, when I send out the revised version, the space will be filled with the link to the class recording for your entertainment and elucidation. Clàr Shechanna, Fàilte, Shàmhach na Shechanna, Gràmar na Shechanna. And tonight for the grammar, we won't have a lesson, but well, it will be a lesson of sorts. We'll read The Night Before Christmas, an Eichel
Oh,
Nollaig.
good.
Okay. And Sgeulachd na Shechanna. I'll talk a little bit about Nollaig ar a Ghàidhealtachd and Nollaig an Alapa. Okay. And
Uh,
Òran na Shechanna. We'll have Oidhche Shàmhach, Silent Night, which is a which is a lovely song.
mhm.
And uh, um, and I just We'll make a note that I I haven't included it because of any religious impulses, but just simply because I think it's a lovely song. Okay.
It is beautiful.
Yeah. And then any little note on Obair and homework at the time that we're gone. And everybody knows that this will be the last meeting until January 7, okay? Until the first Wednesday in January. We'll take and the Sir Lion off, the Sir Lion, the holidays, okay? Okay, so we'll take those off and then we'll come back in January, right? Okay. All right, Liva. Now, we won't watch the complete videos, but I provide these links for you to watch on your own, and I'll just give you a little taste of them. Okay. And both of these are on the Scottish Christmas. And I'm going to go over, I have a little presentation on the Scottish Christmas, but uh, for more information or additional information or however you want to phrase it, I've got a couple YouTube videos that I'll just play a minute or so of each, and then you can kind of get a taste for it. The first one is by a fellow, always, you might call him an African Scot, uh, half Scottish, lives in Scotland, brought up in Scotland, but of at least half African heritage. So very interesting fellow, and he makes a lot of videos about Scotland. So, and he's a very lively storyteller. So anyway, so we'll watch this or watch a minute of it. So
It's time to put up the Christmas tree. Now for a bit of Christmas controversy.
and you can hear that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
What's your reindeer? The point is that in recent years there's been a heated debate about whether Scotland and the rest of the UK are distinct or the same. And when you look at history, there can be few things that illustrate the division more than Christmas. Does that surprise you? Because they don't talk about it. If you're interested in the people, places, and events in Scottish history, then click the subscribe button at the bottom right of the screen. In the meantime, let me tell you this story. I almost didn't use those opening lines because I wanted to avoid controversy at this family time of year. And yet it's hard to avoid how much Christmas has been a mark of difference between those in the north and those in the south of the border. Just think for a minute when Christmas was finally imposed as a national holiday in Scotland and where that decision was made. Whilst you're doing that, I'm going to talk to the Jews and the Muslims. Look, I know you guys have had your differences over the years, just like the folks in the other camera. I'm kind of hoping that we can put all that behind us and just tell the historical tale. If you guys are good with that, then I'll try to keep them happy. But first, I'm going to let the Buddhists and the Hindus in. So there'll be an elephant in the room, probably with 4 extra arms.
Okay. So anyway, so that's the first one I have for you. Okay, and you can go back and watch that. It's very entertaining. And then this is a more straightforward one, more of a factual one. Well, little link.
For many years now, it may surprise you to know that Christmas is a fairly recent tradition in our country. Other areas of Britain have celebrated Christmas for hundreds of years. So why does Scotland appear to have such a strange affiliation with the holiday? I suppose an argument could be made that we have always celebrated the season, and that Christmas has been around in this country for 500 years, although for many of those years, it was not common to take part in the Christmas festivities like many other of the Christian-dominated European countries. So why is this? Well, that is exactly the question I hope to answer in today's video. The history of a Scottish Christmas.
Anyway, so that's so that's another one. Okay, so so a couple of entertaining uh, uh, videos for you on YouTube for you to come back to. So anyway, so let's go on with the regular class. Okay, Shanach na Shekina, Hick la Nollaig. Christmas Day will come. Okay, so this so um so Pat, when you said something earlier about Christmas coming, I thought of our proverb of the week. Christmas Day will come. Yes, it will.
Day will come
Yeah. It
in the future tense.
it speaks to the inevitability of things. Okay. Yeah. So here we have a picture of children, because children think the year is so long and Christmas will never come. And when's Christmas coming? And eventually it'll come. And for all of us, whether we're little children or aged adults, eventually the inevitable will come. Time marches on. Ghàidhealtachd. The days go past. Ghàidhealtachd. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Hickna la Nollaig. Okay. All right. Okay. And Gràmar na Shekina. So in recognition of the season, let's read. Okay. An Oidhche Shàmhach. Known as the night before Christmas, formerly titled A Visit from St. Nicholas, and in Gaelic on Oidhche Shàmhach. Okay. With Jelevin Traditionta as an Lín Victoria, with traditional pictures from the century of Victoria, from the Victorian era, the era of Victoria. So these are traditional pictures, and the publisher, and so let's go. A little Rora, we don't need that. Okay.
Don't see it. I don't see it, Michael.
Oh, I forgot to share.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm sorry. I'm
That's
glad
okay.
somebody finally said something.
Well, I thought it was me, is what, for
I
the
thought you were just
delay.
waiting.
And I thought, oh, well, I just don't know how to work this still.
Yeah. No, that was totally my.
But then I could see, no, you.
There it is.
Oh,
There
how
it is.
pretty.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, so that's where are we? Okay, we'll go back to the beginning. So
The night before Christmas.
an Oidhche Shàmhach. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Then
Yeah. So anyway, so we have that, and so here's the first picture. Oh,
pretty.
let's see
Cold.
if I can
Looks
get,
very cold.
Let's see if I can get where are we? Page display. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. So over here on the right. Okay. So I'm going to say it slow, and then you can repeat after me. Bounty fig and tie.
On in Tigan time.
Fit and tie.
Oidhche Shàmhach.
And Nike no
Nachro crater at Lewisat.
not recruiter glucian.
Ugen Luachach.
Luachach.
Okay.
Mouse.
All through the house on the night of Christmas, like Christmas Eve. Nachro crater at Lucid. A creature wasn't moving, not even a mouse. Or luachach, a little mouse. We have a luch would be a mouse, and luachach would be a wee mouse. Okay?
A wee mouse.
A wee mouse. Okay. Okay. So here we have the photos. It's Rishan similar.
Similar.
Okay.
Keine stochenen achrochach.
Keine
stochenen achrochach.
it was on the chimney that the stocks nastochenen were hung. Okay. On docus gambitra.
And Docus Gumblitra.
Okay, and hope that early would be Aun would be there. Botach Nollaig, the old man of Christmas. Yeah,
Volcano.
Nollaig. From the original Saint Nicholas. So keep in mind that when we translate, we don't always especially if we're translating poetry and we're trying to get some sort of rhythm going and a rhyme and all that. Sometimes we don't translate word for word. Okay, so so Saint Nicholas wouldn't make any sense in the Gaelic, but so Botek Nanolik is used. Okay, so sometimes you have to translate not only words but cultural practices. Yeah. All right. Okay. So here we go. Here's the picture with the sugar canes. Well, a clown swaincha. Van clown swaincha. Swain none lapanen. Okay. The children were snuggled, and nestled snug in their beds. This ashlichen le wheatischen. Wheatischen. A downs angach town. And dreams, okay, or visions, okay, of sweeties, as the would say in Scots, and dancing in each head. A downs on gaccown. Is mich nam church eich.
Is mission and Church.
Okay, and me in my nightcap, church eich, is mommy na breach ban.
Yes, mommy na breach
ban. Okay, and mommy and mama right here in the original mama and mommy on the breach in her kerchief. Okay, is our hintchen in a socherach. And our minds settled in Norach Yariat. On a nap of a long winter's night. Okay, long winter's nap. Okay, yeah. Each in a soker Norach Yariat. Okay. The bound cigarette. And it was in the garden. That was raised such an uprach, like an uproar, an uprising, something like that, a noise, a hubbub. Lamy voyapi. Okay, I jumped from bed. Okay, to see the matter. Okay, to see what was the matter. Okay, all right. There we go. Looking out the window. It's Rumi don Unyach.
Shruly me don Unyach.
So I ran to the window. Priapik Nasula.
Nasula.
Okay. In the blink of an eye, and Priapik, a blink. Okay. Is Rakfoskuts on Kirsten.
Is Rakfoskuts on
Kirsten. Tore open the curtains. Is Hokan Tasuas. And lifted the sash, threw up the sash. Hochantash Suis. Okay. Right. Okay, Gaelic it on trek.
Ireland and Chuck.
Gaelic an trek. Okay, the ava erchak shias.
Yes.
Okay, so the moon on the snow that was piled up. Okay, or had fallen down. That had fallen down on Lige Vian Law.
Ali, me,
Okay, the appearance of midday, me and law, noon.
me and La.
Erhula Sheehan Hias.
Yahula Shun Hios.
Hias. Everything down below. Okay. Okay. So the snow had fallen down Arcaxius on a hula Sheehan Hias. Okay, on everything below. Noch aun.
Knock
Mhm.
And what didn't appear there? Achmian lut menaf.
Min
Mina.
Okay. Mian lut. Okay, so here we have kind of a double diminutive. A mian lut would be a miniature sleigh. Menaf would be little, a little miniature sleigh, a teeny weeny sleigh or sled. Is unig nan union.
So Nunad nan Union.
Nanunian, wonder of wonder, surprise of surprise. Och rein e becca.
Okrini Becca.
Des unen an union och rein e becca. Och rein e becca. Eight little reindeer. Rein a. Okay. Okay. Fay is literally a deer, and so rein a would be reindeer. Okay. Le Shan River mean.
Lishan Driver Mean.
With a little driver. Okay. Again, a little tiny driver, an old tiny driver. Avahobeori Esek. Okay. As very lively. Okay. So Fissam Savat. So I knew immediately. Gure Botach Nanolik.
Yeah, Baltic de Nola.
Okay, it was Santa Claus. It was the old man of Christmas. Okay. All right. Okay. And there we have another picture. Okay. Bound Nabeluya, Nahilaran. Nabeluya, Nahilaran. So this is Nabeluya, more quicker. Okay. More quickly. Nahilaran than eagles. A Hanukkah Kursikan. That came the coursers, the deers. Is ete, is hege, is gore, is aguich. Okay, so he whistled and he shouted and he called them by name. Drast, now, Drast. Drast. A Ruidair.
Ruidair.
A Gounsadair.
A Youngstadair.
A Vrapadair.
A Rapidair.
A Hinnock.
Hinnock.
Okay, so these are words that are improvised from the Gaelic. Okay, Dasher, a Ruidair, runner, a Gounsadair, dancer, a Vrapadair, prancer or kicker, a Hinnock, vixen, that is a female fox. Erisht.
A
Homage. A hoopage. Cupid. Aronia. Donner. Okay. A Unsider. Blitzen, as to blitz, to attacker. Okay. Drast, a Ruidair, a Hounsidair, a Vrapidair, a Hinnock, Ruiste Chàmhach Chúpaiche Rónia a Gúnsaír. Okay. Gomulach Fórte.
Gomulach
Fórte.
Okay, to the top of the porch, Gomulach Vala.
Gomulach
To the top of the wall. Nis Rui ver Falaf.
Nishué
Is Jennifer Nahula. Okay, Gomulach Vala to the top of the wall. Rui ver Falaf. Run away, run on. Okay, Ruif, the plural imperative. Is Jennifer Nahula. Yeah, to make off. All of you make off. Okay, take off. Marhula and Chiram.
Hurricane Cedar.
A Czechoslovakian.
Czechoslovakian.
As dry leaves flee before a storm. Okay, Nura Czechoslovakia.
Czechoslovakia.
Rapi round Yalton. Railton. Okay, Rapi on Railton. Okay. Climb to the stars. Okay. Okay, Nura Czechoslovakia. And when they are halted, when they're obstacled, they climb to the stars. Okay. Bound Suis Gomulach. Fhailte Gary. Okay, to the top of the roof. They were climbing. They climbed. Botik is Kuchik. The old man, and also on Sloot Lan Ye Chicken. Okay, the sled full of toys. Okay. Or the sleigh. Okay. Banam Priep Hulik. It was in the blink of an eye. A Hulimi Osmokaunsa. That I heard over my head. The Brepetin the Bochidich. Bochidich Yen Laurich Becca. Okay, the prancing and pawing, the brapich, the kicking and pawing of the little hooves in Laura and Becca. Nera harank me hain. When I drew myself a stech is hundi mun kurst. Inside a stech and turn myself around. Nach dolemo Himmler. Didn't jump from the chimney. Ach veel nicht le surtach. Veel nek le surtach. Okay, but fail neck, Saint Nicholas with a bound, le surtach. Bound am bien of I skatige. It was with a fur that he was dressed. Ochaskus Buick. Okay, from his head to his foot, or from his foot to his head. Is kai utek a smalakach. And his clothes were covered, tarnished, less on sui is on luira. With soot and ashes. Sui is luira, ashes. Bahar Chilico. Bahar Julian Chatik Faskin. Thrown over his shoulder was a Jachik Faskin, a sack full of toys, okay? A toy sack. It's by Marherst. Like a tinker, a traveling tinker. Jirika Foslika Faka. Okay. Immediately opening his pack. Right here, we have oh, now I lost me. Where am I? Wait, hold on. Where am I? No. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
My finger's straight and I kind of lost where I was. Where are we now? Let's see. Okay.
There.
Very
Are
close.
we
Okay.
there?
Yeah. Right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I put a herst. Here in English, it's peddler. Okay.
Oh.
A kerst would be a like a peddler, somebody who goes around with a pack and sells stuff. Could be a tinker, could do little metalwork stuff, could do repairs, handyman work, stuff like that. Okay. All right. So nachro achulen,
Nachrokulen,
a priepik is like mashamirenik.
a priet, salat mas.
Nachro achulen a priepik. Weren't his eyes not blinking, but shining, flashing, like Mashamirenik? Okay, and his cheeks, or his dimples, merry. So Gruyen mar rosen, and his cheeks mar roses, as roses, and Aron mar hirisht. Okay, and his nose
like a
like a
cherry.
cherry. Okay, is Aron mar hirisht. Bound marvoka aharink. Voka aharink. Okay. Suis a fiefgara vec. Okay, it was as a bow. His little smile was drawn up. A harang suis a fiefgara vec. Okay, a fiefgara vec. Smile. Okay. Esek a smikich. Essex smikich. Okay. And the beard on his chin, Hogel Rishon Trek.
Oh, yes, we on track.
Hogel Rishon Trek, as white as the snow. Ban etter Iechlin,
Oidhche
a greme a feep guchown.
He gave me a food on town.
Okay, between his teeth that he gripped his pipe tightly. His whain on kale. Twisted or reed the smoke mar esk mohimical achown. Okay, as a wreath, flisk around his head. Okay. Va'ai loan echa. Okay, it's a brew bech beatach. Okay, his broad face and his little round belly. Okay, bech beatach. Actually, that's round. That's little beatach. Okay, teeny weeny, little teeny belly. A chri nura rene. A chri nura rene. Gar Marvolahili. Rene Gar. When he made a laugh, Marvolahili. So it shook like a bowl of jelly. Okay, Marvolahili. Horaur is Creole. Okay, so fat, so chubby and hearty. Of Shaun Joe Hiech. Joe Hiech. Okay, was the good old fairy. Okay, In the original, it's elf. In Gaelic, it's Sheach, fairy. Goran ye Maganian.
Ground.
It was ye
Yeah.
Maganian. Iman. Okay.
I'll say
Okay. Lay lach in a creamy.
Lock in the creamy.
Okay. It was against my wishing. With laughter I shook. Yinch go priepik. Okay. Nasulan chromakakeen.
Consumers.
Mhm.
Okay. With a chromakakeen, with the wink of his eye, priepik nasulan a chromak and bend of his head. Nachro ulder avi.
Ruler of E.
Was not that there was not a reason the echo rish orum heen.
Rish Arkham Oram.
Okay. Okay, not a reason to be afraid of him. Okay. Okay. Atovriene facho. Okay. He didn't say a word. Achai gugrief. But he went to work, went to business, grief. Okay. Alienek non stokenen. Dus chundi le brisk. Before turning with a jerk. Is Essen a smeech?
Such an smash.
Okay, and he turning could have rishavus
As a care administrative.
And putting his finger a mere riavus on his on his mouth. Okay. Sigierike and kruk. And similar suus. Okay, so he rose with a with the crack, up the chimney. Okay. Lemi lan yan slut. He leapt to the sleigh. It's going to skip a h fate. Sorry. Fet, and he whistled. Okay. Sgeulachd. And they all left. Marchloi efonen brek. Okay, like the down of a thistle. Cloy would be like the wool, the little puffy stuff on a thistle. Efonen brek. Es Mosheche a Sgeulachd.
Is Missy a Sgeulachd.
Kulami era.
Kulmira.
Okay, and before he went out of sight, I heard him say, Nola Creo Yanahula. It's Aichava.
Is Aikava.
Okay. And before he went out of sight, I heard him say, Merry Christmas to everyone and good night. It's Aichava. Okay. All right. Anyway.
Hey, very good.
Okay. Yeah. So anyway, so that's our little Sgeulachd. Okay. Okay.
That's a good one.
All right. So it's a fun little story. Okay. All right. Okay. So anyway, all right. So what do we have now? Let's go back to share. Go back to what else we have. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. So now I'm going to go to single screen. Where are we? All right. Okay. Nollaig Ananalapa. All right. Okay. So, and Nollaig, the Christmas celebration, arises out of the winter solstice celebration. Okay. For pagans, this marked the shortest day of the year, which was the end of the descent into darkness and the beginning of the return of light as the days begin to get longer after the solstice. So that's so that's what it marks. It's a celebration of, okay, so we've seen the worst of the dark months. Okay, so now we get so now the days will gradually start becoming longer. Okay. So that was kind of the original impetus. Christmas was banned, though actually Christmas was banned even in its pagan form in Scotland for almost 4 centuries. And this is a copy of a notice, public notice, the observation of Christmas having been deemed a sacrilege, the exchanging of gifts and greetings, you can't even greet, dressing in fine clothing, feasting and similar satanical practices are hereby forbidden, and the offender liable to a fine of 5 shillings. Okay, so anyway, and this was done by the Presbyterian Church, the very
until 1958, December 25th.
That's right, 1958.
I was born that year. So
Oh,
they finally could have Christmas trees again.
just in time for Christmas. Okay.
That's sad. And you had to go to work.
Yeah. So, and so this was the Presbyterian Church, very strict, very.
As I said, they was doing against the Catholics. That's why they did it.
Yeah. Well, the Catholics were different. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's why they did. Oh yeah, they weren't different from them.
Yeah. So anyway, all right. Okay. So, okay. Before the Reformation in 1560, Christmas in Scotland had been a religious feasting day. Okay. So before this time, before it was banned, it was a religious feasting day. And then the Presbyterian Kirk, frowning on anything related to Roman Catholicism, and as I note here, or indeed frowning upon everything and anything.
No fun.
Yeah. They didn't like anything. Okay. In the Scottish Parliament, and this was actually not just custom, but it was the law.
Yep.
And Yule vacations were illegal. That is, getting the day off. And the baking of Yule bread was a criminal act. Okay. And as Tim noted, it wasn't until 1958 that Christmas became legal in Scotland again. Okay. All right. And so this is a traditional dish for Christmas, the clootie dumpling. Okay. It's a pudding. It was made with flour and breadcrumbs and fruits and sugar and spices and milk, syrup if you had it. Okay. And then it was wrapped in a cloth and boiled. It was kind of a boiled bread. I mean, a dumpling. Okay. And then it could be dried out or further baked. But anyway, so that was the clootie dumpling. And as I've noted before, Oidhche Shàmhach, the old man of Christmas. Okay. Nowadays, Christmas is celebrated in Scotland, as in much of the Western world, though it's still a relatively minor holiday. I mean, so over the holiday season, and I'll get to that in just a moment, that Christmas remains, not by law, but just by custom, a less celebratory event in Scotland than New Year's. New Year's takes center stage. Okay? So this is a fun little figure, Christmas figure, Crom Du. On the Isle of Islay, okay, people once told the story of Crom Du na Nollaig, who was used to scare children into behaving at Christmas. And so out here in the Western Isles, the wind blows so fiercely off the Atlantic that it'll come whistling down the chimney. And so parents would say something like, "Oh, that's Crown Dew." Yeah. And he's looking for bad little children. So um anyway. There's an ancient description of his image as a gold figure surrounded by 12 stone or bronze figures that has become interpreted as representing the sun surrounded by the signs of the zodiac. Okay, so anyway, so Crom Du. And Hogmanay, seen in Scotland, is more important or widely and wildly celebrated holiday. And the fading of the church's influence in the later part of the 20th century. So a funny irony or an irony is that just when the church recognized Christmas, fewer and fewer people recognized the church. So anyway,
Yeah.
but Hogmanay is a favorite holiday, and the cities and all over Scotland, they have their festivities and their special markets and their dances and all that. Okay, all right, okay. And there's a couple short videos, and I don't have the links for them, but let me. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is.
Hey everybody, Eric here from USA Kilt and Culture, and we are going to talk about Hogmanay. Hogmanay, what is it? It is basically the Scots word for end of year, and it is the world's largest New Year's Eve celebration. In fact, back in 1996-97, the city of Edinburgh was noted by the Guinness Book of Records as having 400,000 participants. And shortly after that, they had to actually limit the number of people allowed into Center City because it was getting to be too huge. So that street party is really famous, but there's a lot more to this holiday than you might know. So we're going to run down some of our favorite Hogmanay traditions for you. So a little background first. Hogmanay, in one sense or another, has been celebrated since ancient times. It inherits both Celtic fire festival traditions and traditions of the Viking winter solstice festival known as Yule. Yule was brought to the British Isles by the Vikings and before them the Anglo-Saxons, and it was basically a 12-night-long winter holiday. That's where our term the Yuletide or the 12 days of Christmas comes from. In Scotland, they tend to call it the Daft Days, and like that name implies, this was basically a huge round of partying and feasting. When the Christian church took root, the party went on. They just made a few changes like celebrating Christ's birth and the arrival of the three wise men. Sadly for Scotland, the party got squelched in the 17th century after a bunch of nasty fighting known as the Wars of the Three Kingdoms. The Presbyterian Church of Scotland rose to power, and they had no use for Christmas or really anything fun like drinking, eating too much, or, getting rowdy. So Christmas celebrations were outlawed.
We Meisterburgers shall hunt them down throughout the land.
In fact, you could even be arrested if you were caught baking Christmas pies. Yeah, seriously. Thanks, John. Appreciate that. So Christmas as a holiday was not celebrated or recognized in Scotland until 1958. But that's where Hogmanay came in. Hogmanay was a great way to sidestep those rules and still have a really good blowout. Redding the house. Redding the house is similar to annual spring cleaning or the ritual cleaning of the kitchen before Passover. Traditionally, during the Yuletide, no work was to be done at all. So you needed to be ready to drop all your housework before the celebrations began. Sweeping out the fireplace was especially symbolic and important, and there was a secret skill in reading the ashes to tell the future, kind of like reading tea leaves. To this day, Scottish families will do a major cleanup to get ready for the New Year's. Setting things on fire. All around the world, people feel drawn to the warmth and light of fire during the darkest time of the year. It reminds us that the sun will in fact return. It drives off the blues, not to mention the odd evil spirit or two. Hogmanay celebrations are rooted in ancient Celtic fire rituals, more commonly associated with spring and autumn. and a lot of creativity goes into Hogmanay fire fun. Each region of Scotland has its own twist on it. In Edinburgh, the opening event of Hogmanay is a spectacular torchlight procession down the Royal Mile to Holyrood Park. This amazing experience attracts upwards of 20,000 participants and another 20,000 spectators. And then there's the midnight fireworks show. If you think watching a ball of strobe lights drop in Times Square is pretty awesome, why don't you try this?
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Auld Lang Syne. Perhaps the most famous and heartwarming Hogmanay tradition is the singing of Auld Lang Syne. This timeless song was originally a poem written by Robert Burns, based on a few lines of a traditional tune he heard sung by an old villager he knew. As the clock strikes midnight on New Year's Eve, the singing begins. Singers form a circle, cross their arms, and hold hands. Now, Auld Lang Syne is more than just a quaint ditty. It reminds us that as time passes, only true friendship and empathy for our fellow man endures. That's what makes life worth living, whatever may come. First footing. Immediately after midnight, the practice of first footing can begin. Another ancient custom, first footing involves being the first person to cross the threshold of a friend or a neighbor's home. It's important because the first foot sets the luck of the household for the coming year. One old version of the custom involves the man leaving the house by the back door just before midnight on New Year's Eve. Then he runs around to the front of the house and at the stroke of midnight knocks on the front door. By doing this, he represents the old luck leaving and the new luck coming in. Symbolic gifts such as salt, coal, shortbread, whiskey, and black bun fruitcake are presented to the hosts. Each gift represents a different kind of good luck. In return, the householder offers gifts of food and drink to the first footer and his friends. Nowadays, first footing celebrations can go on well into the dawn hours. And since Hogmanay is officially a 3-day holiday, the parties and the visiting just kind of roll on and on and on. It's really a great time to reconnect with the people who really matter to you. Seining. Now we come to the final major custom of Hogmanay, seining. This word means protecting or blessing in the Scots dialect. It's an ancient custom that comes from the Highlands. Early on New Year's Day, householders will drink a cup of magic water. What's magic about it? Well, it's basically water that's been drawn from what's called a dead and living ford. That is to say, a river ford that is routinely crossed by both the living and the dead. This usually means a stream crossing on the way to a churchyard. After you drink some of the water, the rest is sprinkled around each room of the house, on the beds, and even on all the people who live there. If you happen to have farm animals, you're going to sprinkle them too, because they deserve a blessing too, right? After the sprinkling, the house is sealed up tight, and juniper branches are set on fire. The lady of the house then carries them through each room, letting the smoke fumigate the entire building. You know you've done a good job when everyone is sneezing and coughing like crazy. Then all the doors and windows are flung wide open to let in the cold, fresh air of the new year. The lady of the house then offers a restorative from the whiskey bottle, and everyone sits down to a very pleasant New Year's breakfast. Clearly, Hogmanay is a complex and rich holiday. It captures in one celebration so much of what it is to be Scottish. So we hope you'll consider embracing some of these traditions this year. Don the kilt, pour a dram for yourself, relish the pure joy of the Celtic soul in the dark of winter. From all of us at USA Kilts, happy Hogmanay.
Okay, there you go. There you go. Though the oh, I'll make one note. As my grandmother told me when I was but a wee lad, it's not Auld Lang Syne, it's Auld Lang Syne with an S. There is no Z in it. Auld Lang Syne. Okay. I always think of that when I hear somebody say that. But other than that, okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's go to our song of the week.
I just have a couple of comments.
Yeah. Yeah.
About setting things on fire.
Uh,
One is I don't know why people, young and old, like fireworks. I love them myself, the louder, the bigger, the more colorful, the better. But I don't know. It must be just a thing of maybe a leftover of just seeing something explode. You know.
Though I think it goes before that. It's so especially in terms of winter and the coming out of winter, it's a making of light, it's a making of heat, so
Yeah.
you have kind of the defiance of the cold and so but and it's
When does it start getting really cold in Scotland? I mean, really cold, not like anything that's in Southern California, but
yeah, yeah,
we
yeah,
can't talk about
yeah.
cold, but
Yeah. Well, that would be around on Towin. That's sauna. Sauna.
October.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well,
Uh-huh.
late October,
Uh-huh.
November, though it starts, you could say it starts really in September. I mean,
Start
because
changing weather.
yeah, yeah, you have a real change of weather. I mean, here in Southern California, like you say, you know,
We have to wait till January to
yeah,
get
we
some
have to wait
rain if we're
till
lucky.
January for winter. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, but anyway, yeah,
Thanks.
yeah, yeah. But you know, but it's interesting what you say. Also, I think the application or the what the application or the reference to exploding things comes later. It's an extension of the fire. You know,
Uh-huh.
that, because I mean, even before there was such a thing as gunpowder. You know, people were
Oh
setting
yeah.
bonfires. I mean,
Uh-huh.
for Hogmanay or for Beltane, and the coming of spring. People would set fires and dance around the fire, and so anyway. But uh, yeah, and even that might go back to caveman days when
Yeah.
when the cavemen had fires in the caves and drew pictures on the walls. Did their graffiti on the walls. Oh, and one more thing about Hogmanay. Um, we're not quite sure where the word comes from. Different people have different explanations. One explanation coming out of Gaelic is Hog me an a. So
Poke me on a.
yeah, I lifted the shout, and I'll show you. Okay, okay, okay. Last notes. Okay, right here. Hook me on a. I lifted the shout or the cry. Hook me on a. Hog me a. Okay. So anyway, so that's one explanation for it, which sounds good to me.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Well, let's go to the song. Where are we? Okay. Savach. Okay. So, and you can see the screen, right?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Okay. So, all right. So, Savach Nuvenich,
Seven night,
Like
never night.
Nuvenich
like
Abdullah for a Holz.
Shouldn't
Google
hold a mock more soul.
Okay.
Sulnach
Uh, World in its sleep. Uh, 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 Mach Warhol's away from our light. Okay, literally. Okay, Moira is Joseph unstoppable fast.
Boys, Joseph and
Joseph
Stoffel fast.
fast.
us.
Okay. Mary and Joseph in the bear stable. Fas a desert. Okay. Fara askewn on Lenef le Gra.
Fast going and Linda Flake Rob.
Watch over the child, over the baby, with love. Okay. Cotical Navy shave.
Cuddle,
Under good Navy shave.
shade.
Sleep in heavenly, holy. We'll sleep heavenly, holy. Okay. Well, holy would be navy. Shave would be peace. Okay. Catigo Navy shave. Savach an eich, nuv an eich.
Seven night, seven night.
Buchelen hunech an solusly bolsk.
Ukalin hunik and solus labels.
Okay, so the shepherds, okay, saw the light flashing, okay. Juliet on Òran. So they heard the song for Island of Glor.
Island of Glory.
From Angels of Glory. Fatas Farshank.
Fatas Farshank.
Farshank far and wide on Nollaig Rovor.
Nollaig Rovor.
The glorious news, okay. Far and wide, the news glorious, Rovor, too great, okay. Christ am fer Suri. Suri Hadlua. Okay, Christ am fer Suri Hadlua. Christ am fer Suri Hadlua. Okay, Christ the Redeemer is close. Fer Suri, the man with the man who frees. Sur is means free, to be free. Like lion suri, the free days, okay, sur, or the sursa, okay, freedom, okay. Savach an eich, nuv an eich. Vach ye sur vohoil. One Son of God, free from deceit. Okay, Fàilte. Welcome to the love of Sanai Hokun.
Sanai
Hokun. In the face so peaceful. La non gras. Okay, day of grace. Nisher Chien Yun Glua. Okay, coming to us or for us, coming near us, okay. Lanature for Hanek Uus for newest. Okay. Since you came down to us, okay, a lion here von Hanek who knew us. Von Hanek. Okay, since you came down to us. Yeah, okay, all right. Okay, so those are the lyrics. So now let's go to learning the song.
We are Ian, and we're here to teach you a Gaelic song. Ooh. You'll probably know this song in English already, and if you don't, who cares? This version is better anyway. So, who wants to go first? I'll do the honors. So, this is verse 1 of Savach an eich, and I'll sing it for you first. Savach an eich, never night, Selma emach varsay, Mares Yosefin stapel fast, Faros kunen lenet legran, Katel kunye vishe, Katel kunye vishe. So, the first line is Savach an eich, nuv an eich. Try that with me. Savach an eich, nuv an eich. So, Savach an eich, nev, inaig. The second line. Sul na chatal imach va'ar seish. The second line again. Sul na chatal imach va'ar seish. And you can try that with me. Sul na chatal imach va'ar seish. So the first two lines together, we have Savach inaig, nev inaig, sul na chatal imach va'ar seish. And then the third line is Mudde is Joseph in stapel fas. Mudde is Joseph in stapel fas. Let's try that together. Mudde is Joseph in stapel fas. Okay, that's the third line. And then the fourth line is Fare us ciwn in lenef le graag. Fare us ciwn in lenef le graag. Try that with me. Fare us ciwn in lenef le graag. So the two lines that we've just learned there. Mudde is Joseph in stapel fas. Fare us ciwn in lenef le graag. So let's try all four lines together, and then we've only got two more to go. Savach inaig, nev inaig. Sul na chatal imach va'ar seish. Mudde is Joseph in stapel fas. Fare us ciwn in lenef le graag. And then the next two lines, line 5 and 6, are really easy because they're the same words. So they are Catal gu nevi shave. Catal gu nevi shave. Let's try that together. Catal gu nevi shave. So they're the same words for line 5 and 6. Catal gu nevi shave. Catal gu nevi shave. So that's the whole of the first verse. Let's try saying it all together, and then we can sing it all together. Savach inaig, nev inaig. Sul na chatal imach va'ar seish. Mudde is Joseph in stapel fas. Fare us ciwn in lenef le graag. Catal gu nevi shave. Catal gu nevi shave. Okay, let's sing it. Savach inaig, nev inaig. Sul na chatal imach va'ar seish. Mudde is Joseph in stapel fas. Fare us ciwn in lenef le graag. Catal gu nevi shave. Catal gu nevi shave. Don't forget to join us for part 2 with the Cormac.
Okay, and now we'll go to part 2. We'll learn the second verse. If it ever stops buffering.
My turn then. Yeah, because you can round again. We'll try verse number 2, and I'll sing it for you first, just like Ellen did. So, Seachdaine, this is it. Savach inaig, nev inaig. syri hadw. Leave that. So let's break it down line by line. So the first line is just the same as it is in the first verse. So it's Sgeulachd an Oidhche, Nuv an Oidhche. Sgeulachd an Oidhche, Nuv an Oidhche. Yeah, call the room tight with me. Sgeulachd an Oidhche, Nuv an Oidhche. Gleva. And then it's Buachelen chonig. That's a tricky word. Buachelen chonig an solas le buis. An solas le buis. Buachelen chonig an solas le buis. Buachelen chonig an solas le buis. Into the sailor one more time. Buachelen chonig an solas le buis. Gleva. So let's put the first two lines together. So it's Sgeulachd an Oidhche, Nuv an Oidhche. Buachelen chonig an solas le buis. Gleva. The third line is Chul iad an Òran, Chul iad an Òran, bo eilen na glór, bo eilen na glór. So altogether it's Chul iad an Òran, bo eilen na glór. Chul iad an Òran, bo eilen na glór. One more time. Chul iad an Òran, bo eilen na glór. Gleva. And then the fourth line is Fàilte is farsing, an Nollaig rohfór. Fàilte is farsing, an Nollaig rohfór. Fàilte is farsing, an Nollaig rohfór. Gleva. So let's put those two lines together. So from Chul iad an Òran. So Chul iad an Òran, bo eilen na glór. Fàilte is farsing, an Nollaig rohfór. Gleva. How about the four lines that we've learned so far? So from Sgeulachd an Oidhche. Giselle, ready? Giselle. Sgeulachd an Oidhche, Nuv an Oidhche. Buachelen chonig an solas le buis. Chul iad an Òran, bo eilen na glór. Fàilte is farsing, an Nollaig rohfór. Gleva. And the last two lines, it's a repeat as it is in the first verse. So it's Crías fed syri hadw. Crías fed syri hadw. One more time. Crías fed syri hadw. And we repeat that. So let's repeat it one more time. Crías fed syri hadw. Gleva. So let's go through the verse once, just saying the words, and then we'll sing it through once all together. So from Sgeulachd an Oidhche. Giselle? Giselle. Sgeulachd an Oidhche, Nuv an Oidhche. Buachelen chonig an solas le buis. Chul iad an Òran, bo eilen na glór. Fàilte is farsing, an Nollaig rohfór. Crías fed syri hadlw, Dias fersuri hadlw. Gleva, Scaniel, brilliant. So let's try and put the tune to it now. Deisha, Deisha, Savachenai, Nevenai, Wachenen Choniken Sovas Lepaish, Huolieten Taren Vo Eilen Negro. Father is far singen Nayoch Grovo. Priestem Ferseri Hadlu. Priestem Ferseri Hadlu. Gleva, well done. Come back and join us again for part 3 with our...
Okay, and one more round, one more verse, the last one.
Now, if Caitlin is ready, last but not least, we're going to learn verse number 3. Okay, so it's now time for verse 3. We've learned 1 and 2 with Ellen and Ailey, and now we're going to put the final part to the song, so you can sing it from beginning to end. I'm going to sing it for you first, like the other girls did, and then you can learn the words together. Nevenai, en vach is der voe, Fàilte grai an senai oke, Wanen gras ne schertien vengo, Wanyer van hanig gunua, Wanyer van hanig gunua. Okay, so as you've probably noticed, the first line is the same as the first line in verse 1 and 2, which is Savach enaich, Neuv enaich, which I'm sure you've already got. We'll practice again. Savach enaich, Neuv enaich. And the second line goes Un vach ye, Sir vo ei, Sir vo ei. Try it with me. Un vach ye, Sir vo ei. Great. The third line then goes Fàilte grai, an sa nei cho cyn. An sa nei cho cyn. Try that with me. Fàilte grai, an sa nei cho cyn. And then the next line, Wa nym gras nish chien gain bo. We'll break that up. Wa nym gras. Try that. Wa nym gras nish chien gain bo. Nish chien gain bo. Perfect. The next line, Wanyer von hanig unuas. Wanyer von hanig unuas. One more time. Wanyer von hanig unuas. And as you already know, that line is repeated. So, from the start. Savach enaich, Neuv enaich. Un vach ye, Sir vo ei. Fàilte grai, an sa nei cho cyn. Wa nym gras nish chien gain glo. Wanyer von hanig unuas. Wanyer von hanig unuas. Perfect. Now we will sing it together. Savach enaich, Nevenai en vach is sed forway Fàilte graon senai okay Juan en gras ne cherchien gainbo Juan van hani gunua Juan van hani gunua Testna, shall we try it all together? Let's do it. Tisha? Sabogenai, levenai, Selmachato, emachvaseir, Mares Josefen, Stapelfas, Fares Kulen, Lennet Legrand, Katalgunye Vishen, Katalgunye Vishen, Salachenei, Nevenei, Buachayen Chonek en Salas Lebeist, Hualiet en Tar en Voailen Negor, Fates Farsenyen Nayach Gravur, Kriasten Ferseri Hatu, Kriasten Ferseri Hatu, Stavachenei, Nevenei, en vachis Jeboen, Fàilte graon senai okay. Juan en gras ne cherchien gainbo. Juan van hani gunua. Juan van hani gunua. We hope you enjoyed that as much as Caitlin enjoys a mince pie. Giddy Drasto. No.
Okay. So, Nollaig Creole, I guess Cheery Andrasta, I guess Tapaleva Hula Dunya.
Jerry.
Yeah, that was really good.
Okay, well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. Okay,
Yeah,
so
thank you.
song and you can
Enjoyed the whole lesson.
so you
It
can
was
see
fun.
yourself and okay. All right. So anyway, so as I said, we will meet again on January, I think it's January 7th, the first Wednesday in January. Okay. And other than that, I hope you all have a brilliant holiday.
Thank you, Michael, and the same to you. Merry Christmas.
Okay,
Happy New Year.
Nollaig Creole is Blianava Urgut. Okay.
Yeah. Don't set anything on fire.
Yeah. I'll be careful with my bonfire out in the yard.
Up in the woods.
Out in the woods, yeah.
Yeah, start that fire. You'd have all the neighbors running with their fire extinguishers.
Yeah.
How to make friends.
Yeah, and they won't be shouting Hogmanay either. Okay.
Okay. Akava.
Akiva.
Jerry. Bye, Tim.